Hi everyone, today we are going to learn all about prepositions of time using at.
We use prepositions to say when something happens. We usually use at with clock times and meal times. Clock times. The film starts at 6 o'clock. The train leaves at 6:30 in the morning. Meal times. My family always gets together at dinner time. We will have a meeting at lunchtime. We also use at with specific phrases such as at the weekend. My dog has a bath at the weekend. At night. At night, the fireworks are amazing. And we can also use at with holidays that last a few days. At Christmas, we get presents. At Easter, we eat chocolate.
Great job with today's lesson. Come back next time for more English grammar tips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content every week.